Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm going to be showing a leek, Parmesan, and ham quiche. This is the perfect combination of savory and salty, all wrapped up in a flaky, buttery crust. To make the filling, I need to start by softening some leeks. So to a medium skillet, preheat with about medium heat. Add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using a neutral oil. Add in some butter. Once the butter is melted, I'll add my leeks. I've got my leeks sliced for this recipe, and it's really important to wash your leeks before you slice them. They grow in really sandy soil and oftentimes can get sand and soil stuck in their layers, so make sure you give them a nice double wash. My butter is melted, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my leeks to the pan. Give them a stir to coat in the butter and oil mixture. And these are just going to cook over moderate heat until they've wilted and softened. Leeks have a wonderful mild flavor, which is great paired especially with something as delicate as an egg dish. And when they're cooked, they get sweeter and milder in flavor. Show off to your guests with a little flip. My leeks are soft. Now I'm going to cut the heat and then start on my custard mixture. To a large bowl, adding heavy cream, whole milk, 3 large eggs, a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and give this a whisk. Whisk until thoroughly combined and there are no more streaks of the yolk. And set this aside. And now that the custard is made, it's time to assemble the quiche. I already have my crust ready. I blind baked my pie crust in my quiche pan, so it's all ready to go. When you blind bake, you want to make sure that your crust looks like this before you move on. It's dry to the touch, it's no longer shiny. This ensures no soggy bottoms. I have my cooked leeks that I'm now going to put into the bottom of the quiche. Spread them out, evenly distribute them. And now I'm going to add my diced ham over top, evenly spreading them out over the leeks, like so. Top with the grated Parmesan. Again, just evenly sprinkling this over top. This is so good. This is gonna be so decadent, so cheesy. Oh, I can't wait. And now, I pour my custard over top. There we go. Perfect. And one last thing, top it with freshly chopped parsley. Adds a nice pop of color and a little bit of freshness. Perfect. And now this is ready to go into my preheated oven. Okay, my quiche is cool and I'm ready to cut into it. Take a very sharp knife. Make sure you cut all the way through. I like to do a lot of small kind of up and down wiggles to make sure that I've cut all the way through that crust. Perfect. Okay. Grab a little plate. And this is why you wait for it to cool all the way before you cut. This way you get a nice clean edge. Oh, look at that. Take a little bite, taste test. The custard is so creamy and it's so nice with all of those bits of ham, those really nice soft leeks, and that sharpness from the cheese. I would serve this quiche with a side salad, and then it's perfect for any meal. Enjoy.